Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for watching my video, and do all that good YouTube stuff. Share it, like it, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, subscribe, all the things that you do. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video and saving some money perhaps. I also invite you to check out the links in the description for some long-term savings with the stock market, and checking out the links for either E-Trade or M1, where you can save and trade fractional stocks, or Webull, which is usually giving away a couple free stocks for just depositing $100. So I strongly invite you to invest in your future and check them out. Thanks, and let's get to the video. We're looking at a misfire on a Crown Victoria here today, and on this one, it's a PO303. So we're on cylinder number 3 over here. Took the coil out and found this electrical tape on the coil. Maybe the boot's torn or something. Yeah, over here on the side, it looks like it's torn. That might be carbon tracking. It's maybe torn since they have electrical tape on it. So anyway, electrical tape is not a fix for high voltage electrical issues. Go ahead and put in a nice new coil with all newness. So there you go. That's what's happening this morning so far.